Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Ride in the Repo. Today we're just going to do something that I personally think each and every car does need, especially if you're trying to go street race car or anything other than stock. I'll show you a bit later on what we're doing. Another thing is we just got something small. It's all about the small details in a car, so we just got something extra on the car, basically just to make the car look a little bit more modern, a little bit nicer. I like my visual customization. Power will still come, but it's just small things, you know, that you're gonna spend what, $100 on, $200, and it's just to change the car's look up a little bit, and it's gonna go with the whole car's look of blacked out and carbon. So let me just show you what that is, and then I'll show you what the main video is all about. And it's right here in the passenger side by the feet, and I think that'll give you a little bit of a hint of what it is. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. So this is the old aerial or antenna that I took off. As you can see, it's all rusted over here by the black. I wasn't suspecting that to happen or expecting that to happen. And you can see there's just markings there where we used a vice grip, obviously, to tie it tighter on. But yeah, I took this off and I replaced it with this one. Look at that, guys. Nice carbon fiber finish. Like this thing, if this camera can focus, nice carbon fiber finish with chrome, and it is obviously a lot shorter than the old one, but it goes with the theme of the car. There you can see the carbon fiber finish much better. Goes with the theme of the car with the carbon and blacked out look. We got the little carbon fiber pieces or door stoppers over here. It looks a little bit faded now because there was polish, as you can see there. It's just full of polish, so it just needs a nice silicone rub on that, and that'll clean it right back up and make it black and shiny again. But I think it looks well. I think it looks nice. What do you think? It looks better like that, right? Yeah. Sorry for the dirty car, we haven't washed in a while, but it looks better like that with the small aerial. Much better. Okay guys, if you didn't guess it, this is basically what we're going to be installing today, because race car. It's going to go down here by the passenger seat. Let me show you guys. It's going to be flush right up here in the corner, just like that, and it's out of the way of everyone's legs, because no one sits with their legs like that. And this is basically just going to go in there like such, and there it is, out of the way. Still got enough leg room. That handle we can just turn to the back so that it's not in the way, and it's going to be nice and flush with that, whoops, with that little edge over there. There's a nice edge there where it can lay in, and stops basically right over there. The seat's right back to the end of the rail, so that we don't have to worry about. But because race car, you're going to need one of these. I actually prefer one in every car, even if it's stock or race car. You never know what's going to happen. And yeah, then you got this for emergencies. I know newer cars come out with them, but they put it at a stupid place in the boot. You need to have this on hand. It's no use having it in the boot and you have to get out the car, run to the back of the car, get it out the boot, and then by that time the fire spread or car's blown up or shit. Where this is right next to you from the driver's seat, I can lean over, get it, and put out whichever flames need to be put out. Okay guys, so basically we just drilled holes. We actually decided to put it up against this little lip here instead of on the floor, and we just pop riveted basically. I can show you like that. You can see the pop rivets there. The top one we just drilled out now quickly because it didn't really take, so we're just going to drill that one out, or we drilled it out already, just going to put another pop rivet in. I didn't record the process because everyone knows what drilling and pop riveting is like, so don't want to record that boring process for you guys. But yeah, almost in. We're actually, I was actually going to tell you guys, this isn't even a fire extinguisher. If you open it up here at the top, it's actually a NOS bottle. No, I'm just joking. There it is, guys, final product. As you can see, all nice and neat. We just vacuumed up all that little pieces of steel and plastic, and there it is, all nice and neat. I just put the handle facing this way, because if it's facing that way it'll be kind of in the way, but all nicely tucked away. You can see I'm just going to put the carpet back, and I think it looks nice. It's really good. Good job. Good job. So what do you think about it? This is how he sits in the back of the car when there's 3 people in, when it's me and Mia, and then he has to sit like that in the back of the car. Let me just show you guys quickly, and look how close his head is to the roof.
I sit straight up, eh? I can't even sit straight up.
You can't sit straight up, it's against the roof.
Hey, but I have a skylight there.
What'd you say?
Skylight.
A skylight? Oh, you can look out the back window. Lekker.
So I get out, like a new baby being born.
Was that how he gets out? It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Nice little new aerial on, and fire extinguishers installed. So yeah, race car is being built slowly but surely. But that's all for today. Sorry for the boring video, but I mean, trying to put out content at least. And like I said before, I think every car needs a fire extinguisher. Stock, race car, doesn't matter what it is, I think it does need one. You know, emergencies, anything can happen. So if it's not being used on your car, I mean, you might have to use it on the side of the road on someone else's car while you're driving, see someone's car's on fire and help them. But definitely think it's a good thing to have in the vehicle. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully after this lockdown's complete, we're going to bring you much better content, much more fun content, more car meets, more shows and all those things. Maybe a couple of races and drives as well, but you'll just have to stay tuned for that. Remember, if you like the content, you like the video, please like, comment and smash that subscribe button, guys. See you in the next one. Ride in the Reaper. Peace out.